Stop paying $60 a month for streaming services that keep raising their prices every single year. It feels like every time you turn around, there is a new subscription fee or a hidden cost just to watch basic television. You want to cut the cord for real without adding another monthly bill to your credit card. Today, I am showing you 10 incredible IPTV apps that are completely free to use without any subscription required. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's get you some free entertainment right now. Number 1 is Pluto TV, the king of free television. This is the king of free TV because it offers hundreds of live channels organized in a familiar grid guide. It is owned by Paramount, so the quality is high and it is completely legal. Number 2 is Tubi TV, a massive free library. While mostly known for movies, its live TV section is growing fast with local news and sports. Use this if you want a massive library of on-demand content alongside your live channels. Number 3 is Samsung TV Plus. It's built right in. If you have a Samsung phone or TV, this app is already waiting for you with zero setup. It is incredibly stable and offers premium channels like Bloomberg and Vice for free. Number 4 is Plex. It's a great choice for local media too. Most people think Plex is just for local files, but their live TV section now has over 300 channels. It is the best choice if you want to combine your own media with free streaming. Number 5 is the Roku channel. It's a great choice. You do not need a Roku device to use this. It works on phones and browsers too. It features high-quality originals and a very clean, ad-supported interface. Number 6 is Xumo Play. This app is a hidden gem that specializes in niche channels and breaking news. It is very lightweight and works perfectly on older devices that struggle with heavier apps. Number 7 is Freevee by Amazon. It's totally free. It offers premium shows and live channels without needing a Prime subscription. Use this if you want to watch high-budget originals for the cost of absolutely nothing. Number 8 is Haystack News. Stay informed for free. This is the practical pick for anyone who wants to stay informed without paying for cable news. It learns your interests and builds a custom news stream just for you. Number 9 is Local Now, your city's news for free. This app is amazing for getting your local weather, traffic, and community news instantly. It is the best way to stay connected to your specific city for free. Number 10 is Distro TV, explore unique channels. It offers a huge variety of international and independent channels that you won't find anywhere else. Use this if you are looking for unique content outside of the mainstream networks. Here is a secret bonus tip to make your free streaming experience much better. Many free apps use high-resolution ads that can cause your show to buffer. Go into your device's DNS settings and use a private DNS like dns.adguard.com to skip many of those intrusive pop-ups. Also, always use a VPN to hide your streaming activity from your internet provider. Cutting the cord does not have to mean adding more subscriptions to your life. These 10 apps give you thousands of hours of content for $0. If this video helped you save some cash today, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibes to stay ahead of the latest tech shortcuts. Comment below and let me know which free app is your go-to for movie night. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's get you some free entertainment right now.